Welcome back to Flutter Interview Insights. I'm Professor Vihan, and today we have Elena, who's preparing for a Flutter developer interview. Ready for a crucial question, Elena?
Thank you, Professor. I'm excited and ready for the challenge.
Great. Let's start with a fundamental question. What is Flutter, and why is it popular for mobile app development?
Flutter is an open-source UI framework by Google for building natively compiled applications for mobile, web, and desktop from a single codebase. It's popular because it uses Dart, a powerful programming language. It offers hot reload, which speeds up development. It provides beautiful UI components with Material and Cupertino widgets. It supports cross-platform development, reducing time and cost.
Good answer. Next, how does Flutter manage state, and which approach do you prefer?
State management is how we handle UI updates in response to changes in data. Flutter offers multiple ways to manage state. Set state for small, simple apps. Provider, recommended by Google for scalable apps. Riverpod, a modern, flexible alternative to Provider. Block/Qubit, great for structured state management in large apps. GetX, MobX, Redux, other popular solutions. I prefer Provider for its simplicity, but if I need better scalability, I use Block.
Nice explanation. Let's move on. What is the difference between hot reload and hot restart?
Hot reload updates the UI without restarting the app, making development faster. Hot restart resets the app's state and reloads everything from the main function, which is useful when making changes to global configurations.
Good. Next question. How do you optimize a Flutter app's performance?
Some best practices for performance optimization are using const constructors where possible, minimizing the use of set state to avoid unnecessary UI rebuilds, using list view builder instead of list view for long lists, avoiding unnecessary widgets inside the widget tree, using isolates for heavy computations.
Great. Last question. How do you implement navigation in Flutter?
Flutter provides multiple navigation methods, navigator.push and navigator.pop for simple navigation, named routes for structured navigation, GoRouter or AutoRoute for advanced navigation in large apps.
That was a great session, Elena. Your answers were clear and well-structured. I'm sure our listeners learned a lot today. And to our listeners, if you're preparing for Flutter interviews, keep practicing these questions. See you next time on Flutter Interview Insights.